Culture of error, making wrong answers acceptable.
Sometimes the reason kids aren't participating in your class is just because they're scared to be wrong. However, if you create what's known as a culture of error, kids won't be scared to be wrong. They'll be happy to share their ideas with you and with the rest of the class. Say, for example, you're studying the Holy Roman Empire in your class. Now, you may ask your students a question such as, what countries were brought together by marriages? And your students might say something like,
The empire included Germany, Bohemia, Switzerland, and northern Italy.
and that's a great answer. You as a teacher should be very proud. However, you might want to call on someone. Even though the first student you called on was right, maybe you want to call on a student who might not always have the right answer. So you're going to call on them and maybe they say something like this.
Northern Germany, Brazil, Switzerland, and Ireland.
Now that's not entirely correct, but that's okay. You're setting up a culture of error. Now once you have your answers, one of them being a little more incorrect than the other, you might take a chance and ask your students, what did you like about the second answer? And your students might respond with,
I like Switzerland and Germany, just not the northern part.
So obviously the second student got some things right, but they didn't get everything correct. You can then explain to your students how while the first answer was entirely correct, the second answer did have some good parts because the second student did know some of the answer. This allows for students to embrace the mistakes that they make and realize that it's okay to answer even if you're wrong, because no one's going to make fun of them